Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert effects into the video and not like layer it on top of it. I'm not sure if it works for filters as well. Maybe we can try, but for the effects, if you want to add it inside and not layer it on top, you can actually do that by selecting the the effect, and adding it inside of the clip. So you're gonna want to drag it and insert it inside of the clips like so, and it will add in that effect. Maybe we should use like another one so you can see a little bit better. Where's texture? Like this one, just drag it and put it inside of it. I'm not sure if it works for filters as well. Apparently you can, so if you want it to just be in that particular video, just drag it and put it inside of the the video, so that this clip right here has both the effect and the video, and you can edit the effects right here, and the filters, I'm not quite sure where. Oh, here. It will be added right here, and you can adjust the strength of the filter there, which I think is pretty cool. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!